In this example, we're going to use graph theory to create a graph based on a scenario. So imagine that this right here is a city. This right here is a city, North Gothenville, right? Now, to get from North Gothenville to this island that's right here, so this is a little island, a little island, and a little island. They have bridges, okay? And then to get to the South Gothenville, they have bridges. So you can go from north to the middle islands and then go to the south and so on. So the bridges. Now, if I were to create a graph that represented this scenario right here, you want to label each the cities and the islands with vertices. So let's say I'm gonna call this north, and of course I'm gonna say this is south. And my three little islands in the middle, I can just say this is A, B, and C, right? So I have labeled my vertices, and now let's see how can I translate it. And the easiest way is to simply take what you see right here. So I have the north, and that's 1 point. I have the south, and that's 1 point. I have three little islands in the middle. Okay, and I said this is A, B, and C. Now, using the bridges, that's how you're going to connect it. Think about your bridges are your edges in this scenario. So you go from the north to A, right? From A, you have a bridge to the south. Okay? From A, you also have a bridge to B, to island B. Okay? From the north, you can get to B and to the south through island B. So you need to add your edge right there. Then from B to C, we have another edge. From C to the north. And then from C to the south. So you have your vertices. You have labeled them. And you have connected the edges. Each vertex connected through an edge. So you took this scenario and translated it into a graph. And this graph represents what is happening right here. How you travel from the north to island A, B, and C, and then through the south. So that will be your answer. This right here for this example.